So, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So, I'm in front of you. My name is John Michael Chavez. You can call me Sir Chav. So, now, let's proceed to our prayer. So, who can lead the prayer? Okay, Vladimir Putin.
So let's pray.
So, now, let's check attendance. Go ahead. Rabbit, check the attendance.
All present, sir.
Okay, so now, for today's is our objective is discuss the Photoshop cycle, then identify the function of the stroke engine, then compare the function of each stroke of the engine. So now let's proceed. So for your understanding, what is post-stroke?
Sir, ako, sir.
Okay, Vladimir Putin.
So, sir, upper stroke cycle engine is an internal combustion engine that utilized for the distinct piston stroke, intake, compression, power, and exhaust, sir.
Okay, thank you. So for now, let's proceed to this first one. So this one is intake. Who can identify the word or the function of intake?
Sir,
Okay, Bernadine.
the intake event is when air fuel mixtures is introduced to fuel combustion chamber.
Okay, so the compression. What is the word for the compression? What is the function?
Sir, the compression stroke is when air fuel mixture compressed into the combustion chamber.
So the power. What is the function of the power? Anyone? Vladimir Putin.
Sir, yes, sir. The power stroke, sir, it is engine operation stroke in which hot expanded gases force the piston head away from the cylinder head, sir.
So, can I borrow pilot pen? Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Vladimir. So, borrow, let's proceed to the exhaust. So, who can read the function of the exhaust?
Sir,
Okay, karami na naman. Karami na
the exhaust stroke occurs when spent gases are expelled from the combustion chamber and released to the atmosphere.
Okay, I'm going to give you an activity for today. So, make a group for 4 groups and explain. The group 1 will take the intake, and the group 2 compression, and the group 3 the power, and the group 4 release. So explain why it is important in the process cycle. So, okay, for your opinion, what is the intake? So, Grenadier.
Sir, in my own opinion, it takes stroke. Okay, it takes stroke, sir, when the air fuel mixture drawn in. While the compression stroke, the air fuel mixture is compressed in the combustion chamber. And also, sir, the power stroke is when the air fuel mixture is burning in the combustion chamber. While the exhaust, the air fuel mixture or gases is drawn out, sir.
Okay, so more on recap ha. So, ang recap is, the intake valve is open. Ito yung magiging open na kanya. Yung valve sa exhaust is closed. So, the compression, all valve is closed. Ito ang dalawa, closed yan. Okay, so, para yung gases is mag-compress niya at yung spark plug is mag-ignite. So, the power, yung spark plug is mag-ignite na, kaya doon sa tag yung burning. Kaya yung usok na yung malabas na exhaust. So, we proceed to the exhaust. The exhaust valve is open. Ito yun, open yung valve ito para lumabas yung air fuel mixture na na-burn sa loob ng sa, sa, dito sa loob ng piston. So, now, before we end, I'm going to give you an assignment. Ano, class, intindihan lang ba yung four-stroke cycle?
Yes, sir.
So, now the assignment is draw a four-stroke cycle in the cardboard. Kung yung cardboard, 1A ka lang kung hindi siya masyadong mahal.
Yes, sir.
1A, input na definition sa bawat nito. I have a picture, I send it to the GC. Pwede kayong gumaya doon, pero not all, and then you more add opinion. That's all. Goodbye, class!
Goodbye and thank you, sir.